Welcome back to Shade Style Express with me, HOTON. Today we're gonna take a closer look at Style 4391 by Versace, which is a pair of eye-catching pilot sunglasses. These glasses come in a neat package that contains a standard box, which I hope is easily outshined by the glasses inside. I would expect more, Donatella. 2 out of 5 stars. Opening the generic looking box gives a pleasant surprise. The lens has a neat looking neo pilot shape, which is slightly heavy but dark and good looking. Frame is Arctic white glossy acrylic. All metal parts are golden, no exceptions, with a neat looking finish. Good choice of materials gives a nice overall feel. What's most spectacular on these frames is the white rods with large glamorous gold medallions that will draw some attention. Hit the lights and look. These rods even give you the extra blacklight dance floor bling. The frame has a good fit and they are very comfortable. That's 5 stars. The fashion aura of these glasses is rather high. White and golden frames makes a statement. It incarnates the Italian fashion label nicely. Still, it might not be the first Versace frame you'd buy. But if you're rather bold and already got a certain range of glasses, these shades would be a good pick to extend your sunglasses wardrobe with some versatile yet maximalistic sunglasses. That's 4 stars out of 5. This is a pair of shades I'd use for any occasion. Beach life, parties, road cycling, or just to make the everyday life a little less ordinary. They look well with my speed suit, right? Black, white and gold is shit easy. It matches everything. That's 5 out of 5. So these shades are surely on my to-buy list for this summer. Futuristic pilots tweaked to the max in a luxurious contrast, black, white and golden finish. A total score will be 4 stars. Yeah, grazie mille Versace. I think you did it again. Do you want more? Make sure to return to watch some more episodes of the Shade Style Express with me, HOTON. And remember, stay safe and stay stylish.